If you want to get products, gifts, and credits from the Temu shopping app, focus and follow the steps in the tutorial as shown in the video. Before we start the video, support us by subscribing now. You can get free gifts, credits, and high discount coupons from Temu in several ways, as follows. First, open the app, and of course, you need to have an account. Now, through the My Account icon, tap on it, and from here in the app itself, tap on the Earn Credits and Free Gifts icon. This is new in Temu. Now a screen will appear for earning credits and collecting free gifts. Choose what you like from them. Wait a moment and this screen will appear. Now choose 3 gifts from the products shown in front of you. Pick what you want, then confirm. It will give you tips on how to get the gifts quickly. Now continue with the app following the steps as requested. If the Earn Credits and Gifts icon doesn't appear, search here for Free Gifts, and different gifts will show up. Choose what you like from them and follow the steps as instructed by the app. You can also play the Wheel of Fortune game, play, win, and see the result. After that, choose the gifts and follow the steps. You can also earn from Temu by typing redeem in the search. Here, invite friends and earn gold coins. After that, you can exchange them for your country's currency and buy from the app as you like. You can also earn from Temu's new game feature. Choose any game from these games, press Open Temu, and from here select the gifts and continue with them. Of course, we will leave you a direct link to access Temu's game feature. It is currently available in European countries, so you must have chosen the USA as your country, for example. The fourth method is very special and useful if you're a fan of discount coupons and shopping credits. This allows you to get free gifts and high-value shopping vouchers through the gifts available in the app, which will appear to you as a new user here. Alternatively, they may appear as banners in the app. Tap on them, then tap Move to Win and earn from the Wheel of Fortune game. If it doesn't work on the first try, tap Try Again. These are all the ways you can earn profits and get free gifts from the Temu app. Don't forget to support us by subscribe and like.